Welcome back, guys. Thank you for coming here on this video. I had a little break, but now I'm gonna go back to making videos weekly, hopefully at least. Today I'll be using this old gin bottle and turning it into something like this. If you want to follow along on this tutorial, by all means please do. But I do encourage you to make your own designs to invoke creativity. So what you're going to need for this scape is a bottle, a glass bottle, some aqua soil, some scaping materials, and any aquascaping tweezers or tools that you have. I unfortunately do not have any because I cannot find any in my area. So first you want to put your substrate in, and then fill it up with a little bit of water to make it a little bit easier to work with, especially in the planting part. So the plants that I'll be using is plants out of this growth box. There is only one cryptocoryne in here, so I may or may not use it, probably not. But I'll most likely use the hygrophila, the ones with the needle leaves, and the lobella, the ones on the right, with the round leaves. Now you want to be gentle when you take it out of your growth box. You don't want to damage too many roots. Just pull it out nice and slowly and wiggle it out. You're bound to break some roots, so don't be too worried. There we go. There's one. Here's the second one. There's two. I'll only be using two as these things will grow quite tall. So now we need to get a couple lobellas. I planted a couple of them recently, so I'm not sure which one has roots and which one don't. So I'm trying to get the one with roots already so they'll establish a little bit more easily in my tank. This one's got a fair bit of roots. I'll probably be grabbing 3. It should recover. I feel really bad. You know what, I'll plant that one back because that is not fit to be scaped. Damn, I feel really bad for that little plant now. You can hardly see its leaf because there's only one leaf. Oh well, yeah. Just grab 3. Lesson learned, you need to dig around it a little bit more and then start pulling it out, otherwise you're going to pull a large section of it without roots.
There we go, look, I did it. Yeah, there's a root this time.
And the third one, unfortunately one that I planted just a couple days ago, so it's no roots. That'll be all from this planter tank. Planter box. Oops. Well, actually, you know, I'll take the cryptocoryne as well. Look at that. Got some nice roots. Now we close the planter box to keep the humidity in. I have a mist thingy. I don't know what it's called. Gonna give it extra water since I damaged a lot of plants. Fat rip for the lobella. I won't show progress on the planting because I don't have an aquascape tweezer, which would help a lot, especially with this very small mouth. So, yeah, it's gonna take a while. Actually, never mind, I got the first one down pretty easily with a stick. Thank goodness. A little messy, but got the second one in. Got the cryptocoryne in. Now for the lobella. Probably the hardest part. Oh, now look at that. Isn't that nice? Got all them in. That took much more effort than it needed to, but I got there. Now time for the hardscape, which is going to be a task of its own, because now I have to avoid crushing the plants. Yay. Now that all the rocks have been planted, I can now put in the wood. I'm probably going to strap some Java moss, not Java fern. I don't got any of that. And this is how I put it on the hardscape. After a while, the Java moss will hold onto it itself by putting out these rhizoids, which are root-like structures, and hold themselves to the wood, allowing them to, well, not fall off, really. There you have it. Now, time to fill it up with water. Now that it's all filled up, it's finally time to close it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.